Hi guys, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. We're going to do 1.11, defining continuity at a point. I'm going to teach you how to find if a piecewise function is continuous and go over the rules, so come along. Alright, so we have a piecewise function here, and I want to know if we are continuous at 2, at a point, at x is equal to 2. So first things first, let's go through the 3 continuity rules you guys need to know. Step 1, we need to show that the function exists, so f of a exists. Step 2, we need to show that the limit as x approaches a exists. And then step 3, we need to show that f of a equals the limit. So I essentially mean whatever number we get in number 1 has to be the same as the answer we get in number 2, and then we can make our conclusion in step 3. If we fail step 1, we're not continuous. If we fail step 2, we're not continuous. It has to go in order, so watch me. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find f of 2. This has the equal sign, so we're going to plug 2 into the top piece. If I plug 2 into the top piece, watch right here, you're going to get negative 2. Okay, we passed step 1, the function exists. Step 2, we need to figure out the limit from the left and the right, because if they're equal, then the limit exists. So I personally like to say the limit from the left, and then I like to do the limit from the right, and double check we get the same answer. So watch me. Okay, it's not silly to do this. If we're approaching 2 from the left, we're going to the left of 2. We're going to look for numbers smaller than 2. That's this top piece right here in green. I'll color code it. So this little symbol tells me which piece to pick. We're picking the top piece, and now we're going to replace x with 2. If I replace x with 2, so I'm using this function, we get negative 2. Okay, the bottom piece, we're approaching 2 from the right. Number is bigger than 2. The limit of a number is just a number. So do you see how the limits are equal? That means the limit exists. They are equal to each other. You see how now? Let's highlight it. F of 2 is negative 2. The limit is negative 2. Because they all match, that means we make our conclusion, which says the function equals the limit. There we go. We are continuous.